Drum Lessons, a step-by-step guide to learning rhythms. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the world of drum lessons. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how drums work, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about drum lessons. So, let's get started. In this section, we'll cover the fundamentals of drumming. Drums are a crucial part of many music genres, providing rhythm and energy. Drum lessons involve learning different drumming techniques, understanding rhythm, and practicing coordination. Here, we'll dive into what typically happens in drum lessons. You'll learn about the structure of a typical lesson, which includes warm-ups, learning new techniques, practicing songs, and receiving feedback from your instructor. Choosing the right drum kit can be daunting. In this section, we'll discuss the different types of drum kits, such as acoustic and electronic, and what to consider when making your choice. Remember, the right kit can make a huge difference in your learning experience. Practicing is key in drumming. We'll share some effective practice tips and techniques to help you improve faster. This includes setting regular practice schedules, focusing on challenging areas, and using metronomes for better timing. Every learner faces challenges. We'll address common issues like maintaining rhythm, hand coordination, and speed, and provide tips on how to overcome these obstacles. We hope this video has given you a good overview of what drum lessons entail and how you can make the most out of them. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with dedication, you'll be drumming like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy drumming!